Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's video, we will learn how to work with Excel file using C# code in Power Automate Desktop. So please watch this video till then so that you can understand it completely. And if you have not subscribed my YouTube channel yet, please subscribe. So let's get started. In Power Automate Desktop, if you want to work with Excel file, you need to include two DLL files. First one is that you need to include interop.microsoft.office.interop.excel.dll file, right? And then you need system.data.dataextensions.dll. Okay, so these are the two files which are required to be included in the .NET script action. System.data.dataextensions.dll files you can get inside your C, Windows, Microsoft.NET, Framework 64, and then the latest version of this Framework 64, and inside that you can look for system.data.datasetExtensions.dll, right? You can just copy this file and place it in a folder which you want to include in the .NET script action, right? After this, you will need this interop.microsoft.office.interop.excel.dll. So what you can do is you can just navigate to this URL and then download it and place it at the same folder where you have placed your system.data.datasetExtensions.dll, right? I will paste this link in the description of this video. Now I'm assuming that you have already downloaded these two DLL files. Now I will go to Power Automate Desktop, and from here I will go to scripting, and from here I will choose run .NET script action. We need to make sure that the language is selected as C#, and after that I need to include the reference. So I will just click on select folder, and then I will go to D. From here I will choose .NET packages, and here you can see that inside this .NET packages I will have those two files. I will just click on OK. After this, in the .NET script imports, you just need to write Microsoft .office .interop.excel, right? And in the script parameters, you can specify the parameters which will be used inside the .NET code to run. So these are the prerequisites to be able to work with the Excel files using the C# code in Power Automate Desktop. If you like this video, please click on the like button and please subscribe my YouTube channel. And if you have any question, please post it in the comment section. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.